One quiet morning, when the world was still waking up, Adam sat by his window, watching the sunlight stretch across the floor. That was when he noticed something unusual. An old folded map rested beside his books. Its edges were worn, its lines were faded. It seemed to glow with a secret. The map spoke of a treasure hidden deep in the rolling hills. Adam's eyes sparkled with curiosity. He gently folded the map and placed it in his pocket. Today, an adventure was calling. Adam knew one thing for sure. Some journeys are better when shared. He ran through the village paths, calling for his friends. Soon, laughter filled the air. Side by side, they began their walk toward the hills. They talked about the treasure. They imagined what it might be, but most of all, they enjoyed being together. With every step, the hills felt closer, and their friendship felt stronger. As they climbed higher, the path changed. The ground grew rocky, the wind grew louder. Adam's steps became slower. Suddenly, he slipped. His heart beat fast. But before fear could settle in, a hand reached out. Then another. His friends stood beside him. Together, they stood tall again. And Adam realized he was never alone. At the very top of the hill, beneath an old quiet tree, they found it. A small wooden chest, hidden, waiting. Adam's hands trembled as he opened it. Inside, only a few simple things. No shining gold, no sparkling jewels. Adam felt silent. Was this really the treasure? Adam looked up. His friends were smiling. They had climbed together. They had helped each other. They had shared every moment. Suddenly, Adam felt something warm inside his chest. The treasure was never in the box. It was right beside him. Friendship, shared kindness, and generous hearts. As the sun began to rest, the hills glowed with golden light. Adam smiled. He had found the greatest treasure of all, not something to keep, but something to share. Friendship made the journey rich, and generosity made the heart full. Every adventure is brighter with friends, and every heart is richer when we share. Who is your greatest treasure? Tell us in the comments below, and join us again in Adam's world.